Hola.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
How are you?
I'm good.
Ooh. So where did you get this paper? Is that from like official website or something?
Yeah. Yeah, it's from the curriculum website with all the papers.
Cool. All right. You ready?
Yep.
Have you been prepared?
I went over some of the stuff we did last night.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's good, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There was, well, actually we can go over it after, I think.
Sure, sure. All right. Let's start with number 1. What do we have here?
Okay, so it's the gradient one.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing I would do is
Find the point on the curve where the gradient of fx is equals to 4. Let's go.
so f prime x
Mm-hmm.
is equal to 8x minus 12,
Mm-hmm.
and that's equal to 4. So that
Yes.
must mean that carry 16, x equals 2 at
Yes.
that point. So
X
then
equals to 2.
put it in the original one, and it becomes 2 squared 4 times 4 16 minus 12 times 20, so it becomes 24, and then it's negative 8, so
Mm-hmm.
y is negative 8, so the coordinates are 2 negative 8.
Yep. Huh? Oh yeah, that's it. True. My bad.
Oh,
So 2 negative 8. Cool. Easy.
yes, definitely.
B.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
b, find the function whose gradient is which passes through. So
Find a function whose gradient function is fx blah blah blah, and then
so
which passes through the point. Have you been learning integral?
no, I haven't done that.
So technically, to find the gradient, if you have like fx equals to a or whatever, or x power of n, then f prime will become n x n minus 1, right?
Yeah.
So the process from the top to the bottom is called differentiation.
Yeah.
Differentiation. What is the process from the bottom to the top called? It's called
Is that integration?
Yes.
Okay.
How do we do that?
So I guess we look at the power, and then we add 1, and then
Yes.
we divide the n number by the now exponents to remove the front number.
Yes, exactly. So x n minus 1 plus 1 over n. So technically, wait, I'll write it in general. So if you have fx equals to x to n, that means f prime x, then fx will be x n plus 1 over n plus 1. Okay, example. If you are focusing on, let's say you have f prime if x is 4x cubed, then fx will be x to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1, which will give you 4x
Okay.
4 over 4, which is x4. Okay,
Okay.
the reverse.
Can I just write down the example?
Sure. So this is the example of this. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So.
So then for that first one,
Mm-hmm.
I'll just write down the equation in my book.
Yes. 4x cubed minus 6x squared minus 4x. So the first one is obviously x to 4.
Yeah.
How about the second one?
Hold on. So 4, and then the second one would be
Mm-hmm.
x to the 3,
Yep.
and then the last one
There will be
would
2 here.
x.
2x to 3.
Oh yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and then the last one, I guess would be 2x squared.
2x squared, yes. Okay. Find the function
So then,
is
if
gradient.
it's
So that is another thing. If you are doing integration, you always get plus c here. So that means plus c,
oh okay,
because there will be always constant, right?
mm-hmm,
Mm-hmm. So to find c, now you can use this coordinate.
okay. So
Mm-hmm.
that means that
Yeah, just
so
plug
that's
in.
plus c,
Yes, that
and
means
then
f2 is
yeah,
what's it? Negative.
equal
Also
to
negative.
2 to the 4, so
Yes,
it's 16
minus 2 times
minus
2.
8 to 16
Mm-hmm.
minus 8
Which is
plus
5,
c.
16, 16 again, minus 8 plus c. From this, you get this gone. 5 plus 8 is c, then c is 13, right?
Wait, but isn't it minus 5?
Oh yeah, that's minus 5. Sorry, sorry. That's minus 5.
So it's
Minus 5.
so c is 3.
3. Yes, c is 3. That means the f of x is x to 4 minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3. This is your final answer.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
But don't we have to find the? Oh yeah.
Find a function, right?
Don't we have? Hmm. Don't we have
Yeah.
to hmm. Okay.
What are you saying?
I was just wondering if we had to compress it, like,
No, we don't.
okay,
We don't. We
make it
just
to prime.
no, because we
Okay.
already have the prime, right? F prime.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
C.
Values of x. Okay.
Ooh, what is that? Increasing. What do you know about increasing?
Hmm.
Hmm.
I'm not sure.
Use calculus to find the value of x for which the graph of the function blah 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 is increasing.
Oh, so is
Hmm.
it just prime?
Yes, the first step you need to find the f prime.
Okay, I'll just do that.
Okay.
F prime x equals 3x,
Mm-hmm.
4x to 4x cubed over 4 minus 6x squared over 3 minus 12x. No,
No, it's
24x.
24.
Yeah. Plus, yeah.
Oh, wait, give me a second. Okay. So 24x, right?
Yeah.
And then what? You need to find when f prime is, what is wrong with this? Oh no. Wait, isn't connected. So you need to find the value of x when f prime is equal to 0. Let's try. I need to connect the pencil first. So can you find the x when f prime is equal to 0?
Oh, okay.
Give me 1 minute. My pencil's battery is run out.
If it's f prime x, isn't everything just equal to 0?
Yeah, everything is equal to 0. Yes. Do you get anything? 0
Uh,
equals to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 24x, right?
wait, why is y or f of x 0? F prime
Okay,
x.
so what is the f prime stand for? The gradient, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me draw it here. Let's say if you have a function. Let's say you have a function like this. Boom, boom, right? When
Yeah.
this is the maximum and minimum. When they want the gradient here, it will be 0, right? Because
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a straight line.
Yeah.
So that means at this point, like at these 2 points, the graph either turning from up to down or from down to up.
Oh, yeah.
So this is called increase. This is called decrease.
Okay.
This is called increase. Now, if the f prime is less than 0, if the f prime is less than 0, f prime of whatever you get for the x, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's say this is a. After you do f prime is equal 0, blah, 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 you will get x 1, 2, 3, let's say. When f prime of, wait a second. If f prime is equal less than 0, that should be decrease, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Give me a second. So f prime, yeah, f prime less than 0, that will be decrease. If f prime is bigger than 0, then increase.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go back to this. What do you get for the x? Hmm. How do you find the value of x?
Well, I mean, x could be 0.
Yes, you should get 3 values of x. What are the other x? How do you do that?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let's do this. You can divide everything by x, right? So 0
Yeah.
equals to x squared minus 2x minus 24. Have you studied the way to factorization? Like x, blah, 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 x. Have you learned that?
Yeah. Like
Okay.
quadratic?
Quadratic.
Mm.
What are the numbers?
Well,
If you
maybe
multiply, you get
6 and 4.
6 and 4. 6 and 4. Which one is positive? Which one is negative?
Minus 6 plus 4.
4. That
Negative
means
6.
x is 6, x is negative 4, and x is 0.
Ah,
Right?
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How do we check that? We make a number line. Let's say the 0 is here, right?
Yeah.
And obviously negative 4 and somewhere 6, right?
Yeah.
Now you need to check the number in here. So you need to check some number here, a number here, a number here, a number here. to define either that function increase or decrease. Use these rules. All right. Let's say A, B, C, D. In A, what number do you choose?
-6.
Check. Check. Okay. X is -6. Then F prime -6 is -6 cubed minus
yeah.
-6 squared minus 24 -6. What is that? Do you think it's bigger or less than 0?
Bigger. No, smaller.
It should be
Less.
-16
Less.
plus 72 plus 144.
Oh.
Yeah, 216.
Huh.
Doesn't make sense.
Maybe that was a bad example?
Or we got something wrong.
Oh.
What is 6 cubed?
6 cubed is 180 plus 36, so 216, yeah.
Yeah, 216, right? 6 squared times 2, 72, right?
36. Oh, it's minus though.
Yeah, but this is square. Oh, yeah. That's true. It is minus. Yes. So this will be negative something, right?
Yeah.
That means because f prime is less than 0, this decrease. What is the value of x now? So this is decrease. Now choose on B. What number do you want?
-2.
X is -2. Then f prime -2 will be -2 cubed
8.
minus 2.
So
-2 squared
8
minus 24 -2.
minus 4. Well, plus 4. Yeah, minus 4.
Plus 48. So positive
Oh
then.
yeah, 8.
So this is
Yeah.
increase. How about C?
1.
1? Okay, what do you get if you put 1?
I would say that it's I'd say that it's just well, first it's 1, then it's 2, so then it becomes
Minus
negative
1, negative. So this
3.
will be decrease again, right?
Yeah.
-24, -2 plus 1. How about let's just 7 for D.
Yeah.
F prime 7. This is a big number. 7 cubed,
749, and then what's 7 times 49?
343. 7. I think it's 343. 49 times 2, it's 98. 24 times 7, 140 plus
140
28.
plus 28.
It's 168. So this will be 266 minus. So still positive. So increase. Then your answer should be answer. The question is use calculus to find the values of x for which the graph of the function blah 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 is increasing. So the answer will be -4 x 0 and x bigger than equals to 6. Oh no, not equals. Just less than. Boom, 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 boom. Between -4 and 0 and 6 above, right? That's
Uh,
where the function is increasing.
uh,
Did you get the idea? Let's check
yes.
with the visual. Let's use, what is it called? Are you familiar with Desmos?
Yeah.
Let's use Desmos. What is the function again? X 4/4 x power of 4, and then what is the fraction? 4, and then minus 2x³/3.
Minus, uh,
Wait, over 3, and then
can't
minus
remember.
12, 12x² plus 10.
Mm,
12x² plus 10. Okay, the answer is from -4 to 0, right?
mm,
Our answer we got from -4 to 0, it's increasing. So if you look at closely, this should be -4, is it? Yeah, -4. The x to 0, can you see it? From -4
yeah.
to 0, it's increasing. And also, oh, this should be -6, is it? Sorry, 6. 6 above, it's increasing.
Mm.
All right,
I'm
you
just
get the,
confused,
hmm?
sort of, how we can tell this, I guess.
Like what?
Well, you know how we tested the numbers?
Mm-hmm.
Um, how do we know if it increases or decreases after the number? Like,
Because, yeah, for example, this one. Let's say when we choose x equals to -6, right? We
yeah,
get like negative, what is it? 216, 144. It's like 72 minus 72. It's like -70, 144, right? So we got negative when we pick -6. That means in this area here, the function is decreasing.
oh yeah, I know that.
Mm-hmm.
It was just sort of confusing because um, what I thought was like,
Mm-hmm.
if, for example, how would we know that like -5 or something wouldn't work? I mean, would decrease.
Mm, I think we need to get the x first to define what number do we choose.
Okay.
Yeah, for
So is
example,
it
yeah, sorry. For example, here on the A, you choose any number below 4, it will always give you negative, like any number. You can prove that. Like, let's choose
okay?
any number below 4. Sorry, I mean below -4, any number, including decimal, fractions, any number. What number do
Okay.
you want to test? Do you want to test that again?
Um, maybe like -1/2.
No, negative 1/2 would be on B, right?
Oh, wait, where are we doing it?
Uh,
In A?
below negative 4 and on A, yeah.
Oh, maybe negative 6.5.
Okay, negative 6.5. Use your calculator, yeah.
Okay,
I'm not
hold on.
using my brain for that. F prime negative 6.5,
So
negative
negative
6.5 cubed
6.5 cubed
minus 2 times negative 6.5 squared
minus.
minus 24 times negative 6.5. You should get a negative. It doesn't matter what number
Okay,
as long as that's a negative number.
okay.
Mm-hmm. What do you get?
I got negative 502 or something.
Yeah, it's like negative. As long as that's negative, that means the function is decreasing on that interval, right?
Okay.
Same thing to the others. Like whatever you choose in between negative 4 and 0, whatever you choose between negative 4 and 0, you will always get a positive number.
So we can know
Mhm.
as long as we test numbers in between that it will always
Yes,
be okay.
yes, any number in between.
Okay.
Normally, for most people, they will choose like a simple number, like
Yeah.
1 or 2 or 0.
So we only need to test one number in between.
Yes, and we
Okay.
can have a conclusion. Oh, that function is increasing or that function is decreasing.